Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen brightness on your Ecobee thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an Ecobee thermostat and sometimes at night it tends to be a bit too bright. How do you actually go ahead and change the brightness on your Ecobee thermostat? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto your Ecobee thermostat, click on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings. From here, go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Preferences, and then you're going to see something called an active screen brightness and a standby screen brightness. So that right there is how to go ahead and change the screen brightness on your Ecobee thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.